Surah, number 80, of Quran Majeed. He frowned.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Abasa wa tawalla.
He frowned and turned away.
An ja'ahu al-a'ma.
When the blind man approached him.
وَمَا يُدْرِيكَ لَعَلَّهُ يَزَّكَّى.
And how do you know? Maybe he would purify himself.
أَوْ يَذَّكَّرُ فَتَنْفَعَهُ الذِّكْرَى.
Or take admonition, and the admonition would benefit him.
أَمَّا مَنِ اسْتَغْنَى.
But as for someone who is wealthy,
فَأَنْتَ لَهُ تَصَدَّى.
you attend to him.
وَمَا عَلَيْكَ أَلَّا يَزَّكَّى.
Though you are not liable if he does not purify himself.
وَأَمَّا مَنْ جَاءَكَ يَسْعَى.
But as for someone who comes hurrying to you,
وَهُوَ يَخْشَى.
while he fears Allah,
فَأَنْتَ عَنْهُ تَلَهَّى.
you are neglectful of him.
كَلَّا إِنَّهَا تَذْكِرَةٌ.
No, indeed. These verses of the Quran are a reminder.
فَمَنْ شَاءَ ذَكَرَهُ.
So let anyone who wishes remember.
فِي صُحُفٍ مُكَرَّمَةٍ.
In honored scriptures.
مَرْفُوعَةٍ مُطَهَّرَةٍ.
Exalted and purified.
بِأَيْدِي سَفَرَةٍ.
In the hands of envoys.
كِرَامٍ بَرَرَةٍ.
Noble and pious.
قُتِلَ الْإِنسَانُ مَا أَكْفَرَهُ.
Perish man. How ungrateful is he.
مِنْ أَيِّ شَيْءٍ خَلَقَهُ.
From what did he create him?
مِنْ نُطْفَةٍ خَلَقَهُ فَقَدَّرَهُ.
He created him from a drop of seminal fluid, then proportioned him.
ثُمَّ السَّبِيلَ يَسَّرَهُ.
Then he made the way easy for him.
ثُمَّ أَمَاتَهُ فَأَقْبَرَهُ.
Then he made him die and buried him.
ثُمَّ إِذَا شَاءَ أَنْشَرَهُ.
And then, when he wished, resurrected him.
كَلَّا لَمَّا يَقْضِ مَا أَمَرَهُ.
No, indeed. He has not yet carried out what he has commanded him.
فَلْيَنْظُرِ الْإِنسَانُ إِلَى طَعَامِهِ.
Let man consider his food.
أَنَّا صَبَبْنَا الْمَاءَ صَبًّا.
We pour down plenteous water from the sky.
ثُمَّ شَقَقْنَا الْأَرْضَ شَقًّا.
Then we split the earth, making fissures in it.
فَأَنْبَتْنَا فِيهَا حَبًّا.
And make the grain grow in it.
وَعِنَبًا وَقَضْبًا.
As well as vines and vegetables.
وَزَيْتُونًا وَنَخْلًا.
Olives and date palms.
وَحَدَائِقَ غُلْبًا.
And densely planted gardens.
وَفَاكِهَةً وَأَبًّا.
Fruits and pastures.
مَتَاعًا لَكُمْ وَلِأَنْعَامِكُمْ.
As a sustenance for you and your livestock.
فَإِذَا جَاءَتِ الصَّاخَّةُ.
So when the deafening cry comes,
يوم يفر المرء من أخيه
the day when a man will evade his brother,
وأمه وأبيه
his mother and his father,
وصاحبته وبنيه
his spouse and his sons.
لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه.
Each of them will have a task to keep him preoccupied on that day.
وجوه يومئذ مسفرة
Some faces will be bright on that day,
ضاحكة مستبشرة
laughing and joyous.
ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة
And some faces on that day will be covered with dust,
ترهقها قترة
overcast with gloom.
أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة.
It is they who are the faithless, the vicious.